guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing today a Nutella wrap. Instead of crepes, we'll be using wraps. So if you're just new to my channel, hi, please subscribe down below and keep watching. First things first, we are going to put a generous amount of Nutella on our wrap or crepes or tortilla or flatbread or whatever you have to replace that. I don't like crepes because they're too floppy, they're too soft. So with a wrap, I think it will be more stable and it will stand up and hold things together. So apply generous amount of Nutella halfway on your wrap. You can apply the whole thing, but that's just way too much sugar for me. So I prefer it halfway. Then stick all of the fruit that you have, whatever fruit you have. Like seriously, what I have here is all I have. So whatever fruit you have at home you can use. And just make sure it sticks on the Nutella or any spread that you would like. You can use peanut butter, cookie butter, jam, something that's not too runny. Just make sure that things will stick with each other. Then we're going to top it up with some crushed peanuts. If you don't have any crushed peanuts, you can use just powdered sugar to make it look a bit fancy. And then you can add coconut bits, or if you don't have coconut bits, if you have fresh coconut, that will be a lot better. Fresh is better. Then we're gonna fold that halfway. Then we're gonna fold it into a quarter of the circle, so everything won't fall out because it's all in the middle. So that's how it's gonna look like. So this is how it's going to look like when you eat halfway through it. So the gooiness between the bananas and the strawberries and the coconut and the peanuts just really go together. It is a perfect snack for every kid at heart. There you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.